Unlocking big data power. How data transforms businesses in the digital age. Have you ever wondered how companies like Netflix and Amazon seem to know exactly what you want? The secret lies in something called big data. But what exactly is big data? In simple terms, it's the massive amounts of information, both structured and unstructured, that we generate every day. According to PwC, we're talking about petabytes of data flowing in from social media posts, sensor readings from machines, and lightning-fast financial transactions. This data is so vast and varied that traditional data processing tools just can't keep up. But here's the kicker. Big data is incredibly valuable. It holds the potential to reveal insights that can help organizations operate more efficiently, innovate rapidly, and ultimately boost their bottom line. Fortunately, thanks to advancements in analytics and machine learning, analyzing big data is no longer just for tech giants. It's accessible to businesses of all sizes. So, what exactly defines big data? It encompasses enormous and complex data sets that traditional tools, like spreadsheets, struggle to manage. Think of structured data, like a company's inventory list, and unstructured data, such as social media posts or videos. There's also mixed data, which combines both types. These data sets can range from classic literature to a decade's worth of financial records. As technology has evolved, the cost of storing and processing data has plummeted, making it easier for companies to gather and analyze vast amounts of information. However, simply having data isn't enough. To truly harness its power, organizations need skilled analysts and decision makers who can ask the right questions, spot patterns, and make informed predictions. Now, let's dive into the 5 key characteristics of big data, often referred to as the 5 verses: volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. 1. Volume. The sheer amount of data is staggering. Organizations are dealing with everything from terabytes to petabytes of information, including low-density, unstructured data from sources like social media and sensor feeds. 2. Velocity. This refers to the speed at which data is generated and processed. In today's world, data streams in at lightning speed, often requiring real-time analysis to keep up with the pace of business. 3. Variety. Data comes in many forms: structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Traditional databases can't handle the diverse types of data we encounter today, which means new strategies are needed to make sense of it all. 4. Veracity. This is all about trustworthiness. How reliable is your data? Ensuring data quality and integrity is crucial for making sound business decisions. 5. Value. Data is only as good as the insights it provides. Organizations must uncover the hidden value within their data to drive improvements, whether that's optimizing internal processes or enhancing customer engagement. The journey of big data has evolved significantly over the years. While the concept is relatively new, the need to manage large data sets dates back to the 1960s and 70s with the advent of data centers and relational databases. Fast forward to 2005, and we began to see the explosion of data generated by social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube. This led to the development of tools like Apache Hadoop, which made it easier to store and analyze big data. Today, we're witnessing an unprecedented growth in data, fueled by the Internet of Things, IoT, and machine learning. As more devices connect to the Internet, they generate even more data, creating a wealth of opportunities for businesses to explore. Looking ahead, the future of big data is bright. With the rise of generative AI and cloud computing, organizations can leverage scalable solutions to analyze vast amounts of data efficiently. Cloud platforms offer the flexibility to spin up resources as needed, while graph databases help visualize complex data relationships for faster insights. So, what are the benefits of embracing big data? For starters, it allows organizations to gain deeper insights into trends and patterns, leading to better decision-making. With the right tools, businesses can personalize customer experiences, improve operational efficiency, and even predict future outcomes. Consider the retail industry, where companies like Netflix and Procter & Gamble use big data to forecast customer demand and optimize product launches. In healthcare, big data can enhance patient care by integrating various data sources to provide personalized recommendations. Financial services leverage big data for fraud detection, while manufacturers use it to predict equipment failures before they happen. However, it's important to acknowledge the challenges that come with big data. The sheer volume of information can be overwhelming, and organizations must invest in data curation to ensure they're analyzing relevant and high-quality data. Additionally, data security and privacy concerns must be addressed to protect sensitive information. To make the most of big data, organizations should focus on integrating data from various sources, managing it effectively, and analyzing it to uncover actionable insights. Best practices include aligning big data initiatives with business goals, addressing skill gaps, and fostering a data-driven culture. In conclusion, big data is more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can transform how organizations operate. By investing in the right technologies and strategies, businesses can unlock the full potential of their data, leading to smarter decisions and greater success. Ready to dive into the world of big data? The possibilities are endless.